Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan and this is an unboxing of the Hakko FX-888D. This is a soldering station I ordered. I ordered it directly from their website. So here we go. All of this stuff didn't come with the unit. Purchased it directly from their website, so I got qualified for an extra free gift. So I got the coffee mug. It's a nice looking coffee mug. And the extra tips I purchased on my own. And this is the unit. I was going to get this on Amazon, but I read several reviews that people were suspicious that they were maybe not genuine products for sale on Amazon, so I just went directly to the USA website and purchased it. Got here pretty quick, and they called when I placed the order. They called me to verify that I indeed placed the order. They said they had received a lot of fraudulent orders, so they were just verifying before they shipped. So that was pretty cool. The soldering iron does come with a tip. It's a smaller chisel tip. I'd say it's probably about a 1/8 of an inch. And then it comes with the unit. Comes with a soldering iron holder, tip cleaner, and sponge. And this is the special decal edition, so it came with those decals that you saw there. And that's all it comes with. Just the station, the iron, the holder, the tip cleaner, and the sponge. And the decals. And on their website, this says that the decals will make your workstation stand out. That's the free coffee mug. These are the tips that I bought separately. I bought a kind of a fine tip and a wider chisel tip and a angled tip. And as you can see there, this one's about a 1/8 inch chisel tip that comes on it. It's a nice small unit. Shouldn't take up too much workbench space. Okay, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell for future notifications. This is just a size comparison next to my old unit. And now I have a lot more desk space. Thanks for watching and have a great night.